You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this so confusing word. Well, name of this German-American architect. There's going to be different pronunciations because he was German and American. So, for reference, the German pronunciation, Ludwig Mies van der Rohe. Ludwig Mies van der Rohe. Now, in American, it's generally pronounced as Ludwig Mies van der Rohe, or van der Rohe, I should say. Mies van der Rohe. Ludwig Mies van der Rohe. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.